Alright everyone, we meet again, and to
Yeah.
the point, I want to presentation about the implementation Red Hat in in the first module exactly. So I will presentation now, and hopefully you can correctly watch it. Let's go. So can you see my presentation?
Yep.
Yeah. Everyone using putty, but I'm just using command prompt. Do you know that? Do you
What?
know what is this?
Wait. That is a key, right? What?
Yeah, I will explain it. So first thing first, if you already about the VDI file, you can
Mm.
create a new. But before that, you can going to files and difference,
Yeah.
or you can using short key like ctrl-g.
Mm.
You going to network and add some network in
Network.
here, and click
Not
and
network.
double click, and
Yeah.
you can set network name whatever you can put in here. And the next one is network
Mm.
CIDR. So there is must be same about your router. If you using router like 192.168.1.1, it must be like that. But if you using like any network, like if you using IP class C, IP B class or something, you can change, and you can see on your terminal like if config, right? So there must be a net mask about your NAT network. So uh, this function is for your internal network, like for your internal network, and it's different between INET. So this is for your connection between your root and your host, exactly on your client. So you can okay if you done about changing this, and after that you are going to file and change the network manager. So this is a kind of like different about this is a kind of like different between configuration host and configuration net. So this is you can following the instructor from Indonesia, and there must be like that, like this. Adapter change to 10.10.10.1, and network mask is just for IP class C, and there are just less 24, just less 24. You can see like this is a 24 prefix. So okay, if you done about it, you can apply. And the next, you can setting exactly, you can put your VDI file to like this, create a read hat again, whatever you choose the name. So next, and use an existing virtual hard disk file, and you can import or add your VDI file. Example, I'm looking on here. I'm sorry, let me search the operating system. There are, yeah, that's it. You can open. After open, this is error because I have already about the virtual. So yeah, after that you can click just next, and next, and the next step is you going to settings, you click on storage, and you can create a controller this on here. So as you can see, there are two things about VDI. There contains two VDI. So the first VDI is template server.vdi, and the second is server./1. Not what is that? What is calling server1.vdi. So this is for your disk. This is for your primary disk, and it's different. So after you changing it, you're going to network, and you're setting attached NAT network to your creating a NAT before, and yeah, like this. You can screenshot if you want. So after this, enable an adapter to is host only adapter. What it's looking for? This is for your host to your VM, exactly on your virtual box, and this is a host only adapter. So like if you using 192 or IP class C, you can the configuration on here, you can comment like ipconfig like this. This is a adapter for the virtual box. So if it's clear, you can open it and take a little bit. I'm sorry for the lagging, because I'm using hard disk, not SSD, and yeah, this happens. Just open it. Alright. After that, you can like using SSH, but first you must setting your network using network manager in the Red Hat. You will waiting this. Hopefully Handoko can watch it.
Yeah.
Because he have some struggling or importing the file, exactly importing a VDI file. I don't know what his question. Okay, in here you can log in as user student, or you can using a root. So I will using a root, and the password is Red Hat. Yeah, we are root. So first thing first, you must doing some nm TUI for setting a interface. In here, you're going to edit a connection, and there are my connection ETH2 and ETH1. ETH1. Click enter, and in here device you must doing same about the adapter. Okay, I will show you like this. Alright, I will back, so I will quit, and after that, if you want to know about your adapter, you can comment like this: nm CLI device, and there are a device for your network. This is for your first network. This is using for your host between your really machines, like you are using Windows or you are using Linux. It's like it's not different, it's same. So after that, after you know about your device, you can easily configuration the adapter. So edit the connections. There are contains three options. You can go into edit a connections and going to add the ATH2, and yeah, this is a same device name. And if the MAC address is automatic for the put in the connections, and after that you can easily change the address, like the procedure on the Arduino. So after that, okay, and going to another Ethernet, doing some configuration, like we are changing a connection in ENP0S8. So yeah, after that click OK and back. After you are clear about two Ethernet, you can going to activate all connections. There's two things, and there are active connection. So it's good if it show you about two Ethernet, you can going to another task. So that's clear. Alright, you can see your network using IP IDDR or using ifconfig like this. So you can connect your SSH key or SSH to no, you can connect it with the command prompt on Windows like this: SSH student on the IP 10.10.10. I'm sorry, 10 1 1001. Like this. Yeah, it's connected. So put your password, and yeah, it's connecting. Whoa, we are connected. So if you in the first start, you must like copy your SSH key like this: SSH, copy ID, and Arduino add lab5.arduino.id. I think I'm forget it. So you can going to Arduino, and this must be clear. That must be work. And alright, I'm wrong. Module, you can go into module and courses. So class, going your class, and not orientation, but in the questions in the labs. So yeah, quit exercise like this. Oh, btech.id, not Idunisa. Oh, like it's different. And after this, the SSH using a 2279 port. Alright, this it must be installed. Oh, we are ready to install. And yeah, there's must be like you put your Arduino password to copy your SSH ID, and yeah, it's done. You can going to SSI Arduino like this without the password, and 1 2 3 begin. We are in. As you can see, what is using? Okay, it's done. They are using Linux. Alright, I think it's done, and hopefully you can understand what this does. Yeah. So you will be seconds talking about this. Yeah, let's begin.
Okay. So hello guys, yeah. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, today I want to talk you. I want to talk. No, no. So, if I saw, if I saw you just configuration Linux server, I don't know why. Just apa ya? I'm so semangat gitu for the for 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 to do it that configuration. I don't know why. So what? Enggak, your sound is not so windy. Okay, wait.
Um, for sure, yeah, I understand it, but I still don't get it because I'm not practicing. I'll practice. I'll practice. I'll practice.
Yep.
Got it.
Okay. So so I continue again. Wah, patah-patah. I'm sorry. Okay. So my son is not windy again. All right.
Yeah, yeah. You sounds good.
Okay.
Good and clear.
Thank you. So yeah. I just want to tell you about why I chose the networking that is Linux and Cisco pakai Tracer and Windows Server. So in yeah before no no sejak apa sih sejak science I joined the Neftic Academy Neftic organization. I just chose the about networking that about networking and in that organization have apa ya have materi apa sih group. Nah, this name group is LKS. From the LKS is divide three Linux server that is distro Debian, and the second is Cisco packet tracer, and the third is the Windows server. For information, Windows server now is 2019. Yeah, 2019 the version. So okay, why I chose the group LKS gitu? Why I chose group LKS? Because after I saw the demo about the senior is demo about Linux, yeah, that he configured about web server and DNS because DNS and web server is so saling membutuhkan. If the DNS apa ya saling membutuhkan gitu, because if you don't if you if you don't need DNS to your website, it's so hard to it's so hard to write your name web. The example is you want to you want to create web server name, but you want to create web server that IP is 191 192.10.10.1. So that is for the web server. And if you don't need the DNS, it's so hard. Okay, all right, it's so hard. So yeah, after I saw the senior configured web server, I'm so wow, that amazed dude. Why apa ya? Why he can do that? Karena tuh, I'm so amazed. And yeah, dari situlah I like it some configure about networking. But actually I just like some code. Yeah, just some code. Actually, 01. I just love some code. I don't know why. Because if I see the code, that's oh amazing. Nah, just for that. Um, ya pada akhirnya I chose the networking. And for the first, I joined that class, LKS, the group of LKS. The first material, as I remembered, that the senior explained about adapter in VirtualBox, yeah. Adapter NAT, adapter host only, adapter bridge, and adapter, yeah, maybe that. And yeah, after I saw the presentation from my senior, oh, it's amazing, for the adapter. Maybe I can remember for the adapter bridge. So if you create adapter bridge, that's it's it's you have some two computer that is my laptop and their my bridge laptop. So you can say the logic is that it's so it's so interesting. In the laptop have two device have one device again. Jadi ada dua gitu. So yeah, the first is about adapter, and after that the subnetting again. Mm. For the subnetting, I also like it because hitung-hitungan gitu. And for the subnetting, have three class or not? All right, class A, B, and C. For D, E, F, A from A until C. That is slice, slide apa? Class A that is from /8 until /15. That's class A. For the class B is from /16 until 23 until /23. That is for the class B. And for the class C is 24 until /30. That is class C. So yeah, that's for your information. Ya pasti udah tahu lah ya. Yeah, that's so fun, muter otaknya aja gitu. And for that, the senior explain about what's different IP4 and IP5, IP4, yeah, IP version 4 and IP version 6, and different about IP public and IP private. So that is, as you know, for the IP public is the analogy is so simple. The analogy is you can say the kantong kresek gitu. Misal inside your kantong kresek there is a lot so many there are a lot so many barang, but for the cover just kantong kresek. You can see the inside of kantong kresek. That's analogy from IP public. Yeah, after that I remember. So dari situlah I'm so very very like it about networking. Before I continue again, how many minutes left, Mr. Alfred?
You need one. No, wait a minute. 10 seconds again.
What? 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Yeah. That's my apa ya, why I like about networking until now. And I hope, not I hope, I want to become the IT professional about networking. That is. So
Yeah.
thank you.
All right. The last of this myth is nickname on the last
The
of
Last of
myth.
Us.
The last
The
of
Last of
us.
Us is Handoko.
Handoko.
In the last
Yeah.
from the. Okay.
This is
When
how
did
we
I
are
start?
last talking like.
What? When I start? Is it now? Is it now?
Yep.
Okay. Um, I ran out of material, and so I going to talk about I don't know, man, what to talk about because there's no there's no favorite things that I found out from this week because I don't know, this feels like I'm very unlucky in this week because uh the equipment the equipment that I bought just went broke. I I don't know, just there's many things there is many things that make me feel unlucky, but believe it or not, you know, I found this picture in the net. Uh, Maybe I will start sharing. So my screen is it
Yeah,
okay?
yeah.
You know, you know about this. These
Um, I'm not sure about that.
I don't know. This is a
Oh,
TV production video.
You are you are
that's so
opening
funny.
a Twitter.
I don't
Okay.
know, but this, I mean, for a TV production, this is kind of. I'm just going to review it. As you can see, this is this
Yeah,
is a
it's
TV
green
production,
screen.
and wow, this is very memeable.
Ah,
You guys can hear the sound.
now we are not hear
No.
anything.
Okay, maybe I'll explain it to you. Right.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
in this video, this woman is trying to say greeting in Indonesia that she said she glad that she want to take a flight in 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 a plane in an airplane, but there is I don't know who's the directors. I don't know what film is this, but as a normal person,
It's for bocil
as a
or
normal
mama
person,
barbar.
I don't know, but as a normal person, he's wearing a pilot, maybe pilot suit. That's okay, but a pilot suit is used for a pilot that that carry an airplane that contain a people, right? But this, as you know, this is this is the background. If you know, this is the background, and this is kind of fighter airplane, and yeah, she she sit in the gaming chair. She sit in the gaming chair and take the steer. I don't sure that is steer. He's wearing a seat belt that contain he what's funny is she wearing a headphone, a gaming headphone, a
Mm-hmm.
gaming headphone. She
Ah,
wearing a
really?
gaming. She gaming. I mean, come on, man.
All
This
right.
is a big. This is, as you can see, right?
And I
You can see.
think it's like gaming chair, you know.
I told you, this is the background. She sit like here. like here.
Mm-hmm.
She sit
Mm-hmm.
here, and that's the opposite way of the plane maybe. And then she sit
There
in
is
the gaming
chair
chair.
gaming, gaming chair.
I told you this is a gaming chair and a gaming headphone, and she wear a tie that put it outside the seat belt. You know what is it for? Come on, man. What do you mean? And you know what the other funny things? You look at this private jet. Look at this private jet. This is a private jet, but he, you know, she wear a pilot. She wear a pilot, you know, pilot suit. But it's all
I'm
the
sorry, I
private
want
jet,
to mute and close my cam.
and and as you can see, she brought a phone. She brought a phone, and she's streaming. She live streaming in the airport that is, I don't know if we allow it. It's live streaming in the airport because it can distract the signal. You know, that's why a smartphone or a modern phone today nowadays phone is has a feature that called airplane mode that is it in inside the airplane because the you know the airport has a tower, and the tower is communicate with the plane that want to land or want to take off. But she's streaming, she live streaming. I don't know where she is live streaming, but she she live streaming without without a connection to this headphone. Without any connection to this headphone, and this headphone cable is going down. I don't know what it is, and this is gaming chair. It's a
Yeah, yeah.
card. What the fuck? I don't know, man. This.
Calm down, dude. Calm down.
My God.
Calm down, bro.
I don't, I don't know. But people are very, people very enthusiastic with this. They made a prize list for this.
Oh my god.
my,
Twitter is so many things, many good things.
many people. Mm, okay, let's review next meme. No, this is the Lord. Okay, I'll just review the meme.
Alright, 2 minutes.
Okay. That's not a good meme. Ah no. Oh, who? Yes, I don't want to play with you anymore. Clubhouse. Ah, yeah. Have you guys hear about Clubhouse? This is a hot topics about 2 months or less, 2 or 3 months, because there's many successful person use it. It's such like a Discord, but you can join the channel to hear people on podcast. But now maybe people already forget about it. What is it?
What the hell?
I don't know. People were saying night.
It's Pochong.
I don't know. Yeah, that's
It's
possible.
Mr. Pochong.
Ah. Oh shit. I don't want to talk about it. The actress is greeting to the fans that supports his career. Me that never go to the concert. I'm sorry. I'm just going to review the meme
Yeah, it's okay.
because I run out of I run out the topic. Um, there is no good meme. No meme. Where is it? That's a kind of nail. Mm,
And yeah, your time is
I don't
done.
know. Thank you. Not wasting much time like this.
Okay, we stop it.
Okay.
So thank you for this 4 weeks.
And
And
thank you, maybe.
this is last we met, right?
Yep, that's right.
So thank
Bye bye.
you and see you on the
Wait, wait,
top.
wait, 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 wait,
Yeah.
wait, wait.
What? What?
What it said.
Are you going to stop it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to stop.
Yeah, just stop. I want to talk.
Mm.
Okay.
Just stop it. Itu videonya udah
Udah
diupload
kan?
belum?
Oh, wait a
Udah
minute.
apa?
I will stop it. Okay.
Oh,
Alright, I'll stop it and